Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Developer by Passion. Today in this new video we will be talking about a very good open source platform which you can use to share all your links, all your social links, uh, all your milestones, everything about you in just one link. So you all must have heard about Linktree and you must have also used, but we all know that Linktree is not completely free. So let us dive in what today we are going to discuss. By the way, this is a EdiHub logo, and today we will be discussing about this project called Linkfree, which is an open source free alternative to Linktree and is growing very fast. So let's dive in first and compare what about Linktree and Linkfree. Okay. So first, let's see what is Linktree. So this would be a short recap to all of you about Linktree. So Linktree in a way is provides you with a simple link with which you can share all your other links, all your details about yourself. So it just says share your Linktree anywhere, anytime you like. And let's just discover also the easiest place to update and share your content. Linktree is for small business persons, for anybody to share about them. Okay, seems pretty good. Uh, you can easily manage your corner of the internet, connect tools you already use with link apps. Uh, Sounds good. Videos, music, QR code. You can generate a QR code also. Uh, Free, premium, pro, start. Okay. So now let's see the pricing also on the Linktree platform. So the pricing comes under 1,000 rupees a month, 450 to 50. There's a free platform also, but the free platform provides you with very limited facilities. So yes, you can see here that it does not provide you many features like latest tweets, animations, and much more. Okay. So it does not provide you with everything. Okay. Okay. So now let's see what the open source alternative for Linktree is. So firstly, I would like to show you how you could share these links. For example, this is my Twitter handle, and I have shared a simple link because I cannot share everything on a Twitter bio page. So I've just shared this my link. You can also share it too after creating it. When you click on the that single link, you will be redirected to this page and see Linkfree looks like this. So going pretty fastly over this. So it has all your social links above in the nav bar after your name, and then your bio, short bio about you, and then the languages that you are proficient in. So this seems like developer friendly to me. Then you can provide your links here, like Twitter, LinkedIn, Dev2, anything you like. You can post as many links as you want. So basically, that this is all in a JSON format that you can provide. We will be going through it in a 1 minute or so. So subscribe. You can also put your YouTube channels. Uh, uh, Anything like Instagram, any of your social links, any and many of your social. Also, we have some more features like milestones. Here you can create milestones for yourself, for others people to see. Also, there are other things also like events. So events are a special feature on this Linkfree platform where you can share which events you are attending so that everybody in the community knows about it. So this is the beauty of the open source. You don't only create a social link for yourself. You are also sharing it in the open community so that you have a better reach also. currently you can also, the best thing about this platform which I felt was this number. So this 52 shows that 52 number of people have checked my profile, okay, which Linktree does not provide. Then it has a QR code generation, so you could like share your QR code, and like you go in a gathering, and like if you want to just share, somebody ask you about you, so you could just show this QR code and they can scan, and they can view your profile and everything. Okay. So I have shared here about contributors in my links YouTube channel. If you will click, you will be there on my YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing it. See, pretty good. Now let's see how let's we can also like there are navbar links like discover, where you can discover other people also. So in this way, other people discover you, you discover other people, and in this way, hand in hand goes the community and the feeling that you are part of a community. Uh, okay, so yep, you can see here trending link free profiles, popular link free, random link free profiles. So if you click on refresh, random profiles would be generated. Okay. Then there are yep, community events. So these are the community events, like this girl. I know her actually. So Julia has see you can also post testimonials for others and get yourself too. Like here, Eddie has given a testimonial for Julia. Uh, so yep, and PayPal. Okay, and this then she has also listed the events that she would be taking part of. So in this way, you also get to know about the events before they get finished. So generally we get to know about the events when they are finished, but by this feature you get to know about the feature events before they get finished. Yes, they are all in the present in the community events. Now let's get to the docs and understand how can you create, and we are going to create a live profile in this video. Okay. So you can just there are many features like quick start, GitHub UI, Gitpod. These are all the different methods by which you can get started, but we will get start with the easiest feature. You can also go to the home page and click on get started. You will be landed here, and there would be steps listed. Okay, these are the steps that you can perform to get your profile, link free profile. Okay. So let's get started with this. Okay. Although this might look pretty overwhelming, but it should not. The process is very easy. There's just one tricky part, which I will be telling you how to handle it. Uh, so yeah, since I've created a profile, I would open a new Google page, and I will be showing you how to do it. Okay, so visit the what are the steps? Like first you have to visit this Linkfree GitHub repo. Okay, so the GitHub repo is given here. So we'll be also dropping it in the uh, description of the YouTube video. Be sure to check it out. So this is the Linkfree repo. So you can see that there are many issues. So if you want to contribute towards open source, you can also contribute here. There are 80 pull requests. So that is pretty huge, like pretty good number. So you get a feeling that this repo is pretty active, and yes, it is. This is the repo, right? You can just go and start the repo if you want. Okay, uh, which you should. Like, this is very good. Let's go step by step with what it is mentioned. So click on fork. First, you have to fork the repo. So how do you fork it? You go here, top. It is mentioned fork. Okay, so okay, fork. So you just it will ask you just click create fork. Okay, it will create a fork of it. So when it creates a fork of it, then it would be changed. Like you can notice that earlier it was Eddie Hub community slash link free. Now it is your username slash link free. Okay. So this is the fork of the repo. This is exactly the same repo as it is a fork. Now let's go on the next steps. So accept the default vote, we accepted. Then you have to create a profile. So now what you have to do is you have to just go to this add a file, create your file. So create your file, then you will have to create it in data slash, and then you the practices that you have to create the profile on your username so that it remains unique. Otherwise there would be two IDs like ID and it would like mismatch and cause some errors. So it is advised to name it your GitHub username. Okay, so my GitHub username for this account is Kamal is here. Kamal is here.json. You can name it like this, and then you have to create it. Okay. So what are the next steps? So the next steps could be like say for example you want to create it very easily. So just go in data. Like you don't want to spend much time. So just go to any file. Okay. Uh, we are just getting started, so just take anyone's file. uh, you can search basically, let's search my file only. Okay, so this is my file. Everyone's file is listed in the repo as it is open source. You can simply copy it. This is the easiest way, I'm telling you. It's the easiest way to do it. So you can just copy it. Then you can change the name of it based on your understanding. Let's name it here something like Kamal, Kamal test. Okay. Then I will be going through step by step of what these. So this is actually a JSON file. If you don't know what a JSON file is, so JSON file is like a simple file with brackets, opening brackets and closing brackets, and which the key and the value pair is being written. So this is the key, like name is the key. Kamal test is the value. Display starts public. So display starts public is like the number 52 that appeared on my profile. So we will be keeping it true. Okay. So type it is personal. You can click here personal or public. So if you don't know how I'm setting it all these values, then you can just go to this docs. Okay. Docs is the best way to go. Go to docs. Go to bio. Bio. Okay. So you see, the bio is this. So you can actually write the bio as a key, and then whatever you want the value here to be presented, you can just give it. Like for example, in this file, I have given the value for my bio as, okay. Let's give it a bio currently. Okay, so as seen in the docs, you just have to give your bio value like hi, this is my live YouTube video about Linkfree. Okay, so the name match. So now also you can give here socials, like whatever socials that you want to be present on your icon. Oh, okay, so so the socials are basically these icons present here. You can also find it in the docs. Okay. So if you want here, you can go to socials, social shortcuts, add a shortcut to your favorite social media account at the top of your profile. See, everything is pretty much given in the docs. You can just give it the icon. It is for Twitter. If you are familiar with Bootstrap and things like that, you would be familiar with it. Also, Material UI also uses some things like this icons. So yep, you can socials. You can just copy this and edit uh, uh, Eddie's name with your name and customize it your profile as per your go. So after you create this, then you can also like create a milestone and then put key value pairs. So this is a list which contains the values. Okay, so this is kind of an array. So milestones is an array in which every milestone is like shown in this way. Let me show you again. Never mind. So the milestones are listed in this way. These rows, these are in the array format in the JSON data. So after you do this, what you have to do is you can like write you can commit the file with created my profile, anything like that. Then you can create a new branch, give your branch some useful name like created my profile. You can give any name basically. So you give create propose new file. Okay, so we are okay. So this was that easy. Okay, so you can like click create pull request. Okay, so the tricky part is here. So when you click create pull request, so if you will create click on create pull request, things won't work out, because you have to create the pull request with respect to the main branch with from which you had forked. Okay, so let's so you have to click here, compare across forks. So here base you have to change base repository to edhub Linkfree. Then the main was the repo name. Uh, this should be your branch, your branch name, your repo name. Yep. So this is now comparing with your branch with the main edhub branch. Okay. So yep, you can click on create pull request now, and your pull request would be created uh, successfully. Like testing for my YouTube feed. Okay. Okay. Then you can click on create pull request, and your pull request would be created. So also you can check these boxes. How do you check these boxes? You can just go to edit and just put a cross in them. Okay. So this would lead to the boxes be getting ticked. So your pull request is successfully created. Now there are 81 pull requests. So earlier it was 80 before the start of the video. Now it is 81. So a maintainer would be here, and he will merge your pull request. Okay, so it has no errors. All the checks would be passed. So the maintainer would come, and they are pretty fast at merging this pull request. The thing I have noticed. So yes. Also, since this project is an open source project, so after your pull request gets merged, you will have a link to share to everybody. Okay, so the fun thing is like you can also share your lens profile if you have. This is my lens profile. So uh, here, let's close it for now. So okay. So you will have after your pull request gets merged, you will have a link to share to everybody. Okay. Now, also this since this project is open source, there are many good first issues for you to get up and going. Like this one was a good first issue. So you can contribute to this open source repo and earn some green squares to your profile. Uh, so that your profile so every time you contribute something, you get the green square and your contribution goes on, and this is how things in open source work. So at the keep contributing, and at the end of the year you will have a graph like this, or maybe better than this. So this was all about Linkfree. So yep, this is Kamal signing off. Thank you. Thank you and bye bye. Please subscribe and comment if you like the video or dislike the video. Thank you.